Did you know your heart beats about 1 lakh times per day? It's an important indicator of your overall health and it can tell you a lot about your fitness levels. Hi, I'm Dr. Preeti, and in today's episode of Listen to Your Body, we are gonna see what your heart rate tells you and how you can improve your understanding of your heart rate. So, what is heart rate? Your heart rate is simply the number of times your heart beats per minute. Your heart rate is a reliable indicator of how efficiently the heart is pumping the blood throughout the body. Whether you're into sports, fitness, or overall aiming for a healthier life, keeping track of your heart rate gives useful insights into your overall heart health and your fitness levels. Monitoring your heart rate during workouts is particularly important. It tells you how hard you are working and avoids the risk of overexertion while maximizing the benefits. Heart rate monitoring isn't limited just to exercise. By checking your heart rate regularly, it puts you in control of your health. Also, when you share this data with the doctors, it helps doctor understand your heart health better. That leads to accurate diagnosis and helps doctor create personalized treatment plans. You can feel your heart rate by placing your fingers on your wrist right below the thumb and counting up to 60 seconds. This will give you the measurement of your heart rate per minute. Your heart rate varies depending on the activity that you are doing. For example, while you are sleeping or resting, your heart rate tends to be lower. But if you are excited or if you are exercising, your heart rate is higher as your heart pumps more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and other organs. Fitness trackers and smartwatches allow you to conveniently track and analyze your heart rate over time. If you don't have one, no worries. You can start tracking your heart rate daily on EkaCare app. It is free and gives you accurate results in less than 60 seconds. Plus, you will also get insights on how healthy your heart rate is as compared to others in your age and gender group, giving you a sense of how healthy you are. Ultimately, when you start paying attention to your heart rate, you can take informed decisions about your lifestyle choices and take steps towards a healthier future you. So, listen to your heart, take care of it, and stay healthy. If you have any questions on this topic, do ask me in the comment section below. And if you think you have learned something useful, do share it with your loved ones so that they can also take care of their heart health.